Hey little makers, today we're going to be making monster explosions experiments. What you're going to need is hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, colored dyes, and a mixture of a teaspoon of yeast and 2 tablespoons of warm water. Let's get started. First, you're going to take half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. And be careful because hydrogen peroxide can hurt your skin, so get a parent to help. I'm going to grab my phone. Now, take your dish soap and just give it a little nice little swirl. Now put your food coloring in. I'm combining blue and red to make purple. Now put your mixture of yeast and warm water. Let's see what happens. Now we've added all these colors onto the top and our exploding monster experiment.
When the hydrogen peroxide comes into contact with the yeast, it starts breaking down into water and oxygen. Oxygen is a gas and therefore wants to escape the liquid. The dish soap that you added to your reaction, however, traps these gas bubbles, forming a foam. Keep track of your science experiments in your very own portfolio in the Artebula app. Download it today from the Google Play Store or the App Store.